friends, welcome to Code Generator. Myself Apurva. I hope you are all doing fine and well. So, in this video, I am going to teach you about top 8 Node.js projects for beginners. Before moving on to the projects, let me give you the introduction about Node.js. Node.js is an open source cross-platform backend JavaScript runtime environment that runs on the Chrome V8 engine and executes the JavaScript code outside the web browser. So, the stable release of Node.js was on 15th January 2021. That is 10 days ago. And the latest version we use is 15.6.0 version. And the initial release of Node.js was May 27, 2009. That is 11 years ago. And the operatings which make use of Node.js are Linux, Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, Smart OS, FreeBSD, OpenBSD, and IBM AX. And the developer of the Node.js was Rain Real, that is when Microsoft Corporation branched in OpenJS Foundation. Now let's see the top 8 projects. So without wasting any time, and I hope you're all curious to know it. So the top 8 project is gaming app. So this project explains the building a multi-layered socket game through the real world project. So this is a real world project. It has turn-based multiplayer game where the people can enter and create a room. Other people can hop into the room. Then the game begins where all the players are shuffled and first person gets the chance to pick the game he wants. So the real world games you can do using Node.js is football code, Sudoku, and chess, and many more games. Here you can search from the list of players which you want. You can also play Ludo using the Node.js. Viewing their status, position, rating, and other details the player can select is teammates and confirm a selection. This repeats until every person gets the chance and play the game well. So now let's see what is the top 7th project. The top 7th project is web scraping or web scraper. Web scraping is a technique used to extract data from the website using the script, that means JavaScript. Web scraping is a way to automate the laborious work of copying data from the various websites. Web scraping is generally performed in the cases when the desirable websites don't expose the API for fetching the data. Here, firstly we will acquire the data using an HTML request library or an headless browser and tracing the data to get the exact information you want. So we make use of web scraper for that. So let's see the top 6th project, that is video streaming platform. So let's see. Videos work by streaming, that is part by part. This means that instead of searching everything for the front end in the single package, you can send it in the little chunks at the time. So the best example for video streaming is you can take YouTube. So when you are seeing the YouTube, there will be some ads and there will be some advertisements. So, and all the data is not overloaded at the same time. Sending it the streams would mean that instead of having wait for the page to download the whole video from the server before being able to watch it, you can instead request the server for the first few seconds for the video and download the rest while it plays out. So the best example is YouTube you can take. So let's see the top 5th project, that is email sender. So what is, I hope you are all familiar with emails and sending the mails to each other. Email is one of the most used tools for communication in web applications because it helps you to reach your users directly. build your brand and send the general notification. There are many Node.js modules for sending emails. Almost them are Node Mailer is the most popular choice. The most and used mailer is Node Mailer. It is a module that gives you the ability to easily send the emails without any hassle or any corruption. Now let's see the top 4 project, that is collaborative drawing app. So let's see. I hope in the free times many of us do the drawings also. This application makes use of Socket.io and Cappuccino to create the sample collaborative drawing app. Multiple users can use to draw the triangles, circles or any shapes using the app to see the changes. I hope you are all played with it in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Socket.io automatically allows the application to use the WebSockets when it can, falling back to the other comment methods for other browsers. So let's see the top 3rd project, that is real-time chat application. So I hope you are all familiar with chatting. Let's see. Another basic Node.js projects for beginners is chat application, where the programmer gets the fair idea of working with the real-time systems. So firstly, you have to separate the application in 2 parts, that is client part and the server part, where one will send the message and another will get the message. With the help of WebSocket, you can and the client can directly share the data at any time. The process starts with client sending regular HTTP requests to the server. This particular application is very easy to code with the knowledge of WebSockets and Socket.io. So let's see the top 2nd project, that is basic user system. Let's see what is it. It is very basic project but will help you to practice useful skills because the user is the part of almost every application. Major learning of this application is how to set up the database, to do migrations, how to create new user by registration. In case of registration and login, you should generate JWT token or password for the user and return from the API, that is application programming interface. And let's come to the last and first most project, that is books directory. So what's this? This is one of the often considered as the most basic project you can create using Node.js and Express.js. It's the simple REST API, that is we make use of REST API, that is application interface. For this you can build the book directory where you should need to create the endpoints using 4 basic methods, that is get, post, put and delete. So in this book directory you can get all the information, or you can also post any information regarding to the contacts or do it. So I hope you all liked this video and it was informative for the beginners who are started with Node.js. So you must all try this, and if you have any questions or queries, you can contact us on Instagram, Facebook or Gmail, or also you can comment in the comment section. So I hope you all like it, comment it and share with your friends and family, and please do like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again.